Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given that there is the number x, suppose x, then 2/5 of the original number is 42 less than the 3/4 of the original number, and thus we have to find the number. So let the required number be x. Therefore, 2/5 of the number will be equals 2x upon 5. Similarly, 3/4 of the number will be equals 3x upon 4. And according to the question, they have said that 3/4 of the number minus 2/5 of the number will be equals 42. So 3x upon 4 multiplied by 2x upon 5 will be equals 42. Now the LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. So 20 when divided by 4 will give us 5. So 5 multiplied by 3x will give us 15x. Again 20 when divided by 5 will give us 4, and 4 multiplied by 2x will give us 8x, which will be equals 42. Now multiply both sides of the equality by 20. So we will have 20 and 20 will cancel out each other in the left hand side. So we will have in the left hand side we will have 7x, and in the right hand side we have 42 multiplied by 20. Now in order to find the value of x, divide both sides of the equality by 7. So x will be equals 42 multiplied by 20 upon 7. So 7 will cancel out 42 and will produce 6. So 6 multiplied by 20 will give us 120. Therefore, x is 120. In the question they have asked us to find the original number. So required number will be equals 120. That's it. Thank you.